In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Microsoft Excel as the default application in Windows 11. Setting Excel as your default app makes sure that whenever you open spreadsheet files, they launch in Excel automatically without extra prompts. This is especially helpful if files have been opening in a different program or in a web browser. Once we're done, common spreadsheet formats like .xlsx, .xls, CSV, and even macro-enabled files like .xlsm will open straight in Excel when you double-click them. Let's get started right from the desktop. First, click the search bar on your taskbar. This opens the Windows search panel so you can quickly find the option you need. With the search panel open, look for the Settings app and click it. This takes you into the main Windows 11 settings area, where you control how apps and files behave. Inside Settings, find and select Apps. The Apps section is where Windows organizes everything related to installed applications and their behaviors. From here, click Default Apps. This page controls which app opens which kind of file, and it's where we'll point spreadsheet files to Excel. At the top of the Default Apps page, you'll see a search field labeled something like Set Defaults for Applications. Click in that box and type Excel. Windows will filter the list to show Microsoft Excel as an option. Click Microsoft Excel to open its defaults page. This page shows every file type and link type that Excel can handle. Now, set Excel as the default. If you see a Set Default button near the top, click it to assign Excel to all the file types it supports in one step. If your screen shows individual file types instead, you can review the list and confirm that Excel is selected for formats you care about most, such as .xlsx, .xls, .csv, and .xlsm. Either way, the goal is the same. Ensure those spreadsheet extensions are associated with Microsoft Excel. A quick note as you review. Choosing Excel here won't uninstall or block other spreadsheet apps. It simply tells Windows which one to prefer when you open files. If you have multiple versions of Office installed, make sure you're selecting the Microsoft Excel entry you actually use. You can also revisit this page anytime to fine-tune defaults for specific extensions if your workflow changes. And that's it. You clicked the search bar, opened Settings, went to Apps, chose Default Apps, typed Excel, and set Excel as the default. From now on, double-clicking your spreadsheets will open them in Excel automatically. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.